Hi, we're going to look at solving logarithmic equations. We have log base 2 on both sides, and that helps us out. So since they're both the same log, we can pretty much ignore them, and we set up a whole new equation. Our equation is going to look like x squared minus 4 equals 3x. So we just happen to bring everything else down. Now let's bring that 3x over to the left side using inverse operations, minus 3x minus 3x. Put it in order, standard form, highest exponent to lowest. Great. Now we need to solve this quadratic. We could either graph it, factor it, quadratic formula, complete the square. Any of these help get us there. I'm going to factor. I think that might be the quickest thing for us. So what two numbers multiplied together give us x squared, x and x? What two numbers multiplied together give us 4, but also add or subtract to give us that 3, 4 and 1. I need to get a negative 4. So that's going to be a negative and a positive. And do I have the signs in the correct spot? So negative 4 plus 1 gives us negative 3. Yes, we're good. Okay. Solve each parenthesis. Set them both equal to 0. X minus 4 equals 0. X plus 1. And let's start moving things. X equals 4. All right, so we have multiple answers. We have an equation here. Let's check our work. Let's see if what we have actually makes sense. So I want to take both of these and plug them back into the original problems. So I'm going to say log base 2 of 4 squared minus 4 equals log base 2, 3 times 4, giving us 4 times 4, 16. 16 minus 4, 12. Log base 2 of 12 equals log base 2. 3 times 4 gives us 12. Left side, right side look exactly the same. I like this. I can do that. Let's try it again with our answer of negative 1. Log base 2 of negative 1 squared minus 4. Log base 2 of 3 times negative 1. So negative 1 and negative 1 is going to give us positive 1. 1 minus 4 gives us negative 3. Log base 2, put that in parentheses, negative 3. Log base 2 of negative 3. Now, even though left side and right side both are the same, that's good. However, we can't take the log of a negative number. So because we get that, it messes everything up for us. Okay, we did all the work correctly, but coming back here, that means since I get a negative down here, the number we plugged in, negative 1, is not a correct answer. We call that an extraneous solution. An extraneous solution is where you do all the work correctly, we followed all the right steps, but it just comes back and it gives us something that just doesn't make sense and doesn't work out for us. So it's a correct number, but it's just wrong for the problem. So we have one solution here, x equals 4, the negative 1's an extraneous solution, we don't want it, and that is solving logarithmic equations.